Hello, beautiful people. So today I'm going to be updating the SEO for my Bracket.io tennis bracket challenge site. I want to make sure that the SEO is up to a certain standard and apply that into my AstroJs repo. By no means am I an SEO expert, but I realized I'm not even doing some of the basic stuff. So I want to make sure I have that handled. And I've heard SEO is dead, but I don't know what to believe anymore. And I might as well, get everything up to standards. So I started looking around, and I did start watching this YouTube video from Nathan Gotch. Haven't got through it all, but there are some basic stuff that he went through up to this point that I know will help me out. So what he recommended was this detailed SEO extension. It's a Chrome extension, and it will show you some of your SEO practices. And as you can see, mine is currently not very good at all. Some of these are very easy to change, and so I will be doing that right now. Let's go down the list. It recommends at least 65 characters for your title. So I'm going to go in here and update my title. So I have this JSON data that maps to different sections of my code base. So I'm going to add some stuff here. So bracket, tennis, I'll say fill out tennis bracket challenges. Now let's just make sure the character count is up to standards. And it's at 59. What did it say? 65. But also you can run the extension in dev, which is nice. So you could just let me get it set up locally, because it says recommend 65. I didn't save. And how quickly does it update? Yeah, 59. Okay, that's fine. So the description needs to be 70 to 155. Elevate your tennis experience. Let's fill out and compete in friendly tennis bracket challenges for the men's and women's majors. And this is, there's probably testing I can do to, make sure that these words, search well. And I think that's just kind of through trial and error. Okay, so that's good. So the URL, it says it's good here, and it's not good here. And I'm pretty sure it's because of this this ending backslash that I have. So this is something that I will have to test on a deploy. And to update this, I need to update this right here, my Astro config. And then if I go to layout, you can see the canonical metadata here reference that. So that's something I'll have to test after deployment, because you can see, if the environment is dev, it'll be the local host, but if not, it'll use my main URL. So I'm hoping that will fix it, and we will test that coming up here. So the robots tag, this appears to be good. This basically indicates, and you can see that here, that crawlers can index, reference my pages and follow them without any restrictions. So the keywords are next up. You can see the keywords here. This is something I need to do, keyword research on, and basically investigate which types of words people will look up to find a site like mine. I'm going to change some of these just to get them a little more exactly what I want. I mean, tennis bracket challenge is something that I want to own that keyword if possible. Tennis prediction's good. Now we're coming up to the French Open bracket challenge. So let's do that. Grand Slam tennis tournament. Let's just get rid of this. So yeah, this is some research I need to do as far as how many keywords and everything that is recommended here. But I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Definitely will add more or remove them if I kind of learned about best practices. All right, so publisher, it's not a requirement. And then, I have a sitemap. I have robots.txt, which is allowing everything. Sitemap. So yeah, this is, I think I updated the very bare minimum to get up to speed. And yeah, for those that are using Astro, this layout is nice. You basically wrap all your pages in this layout, and and then it will expose these tags on each of those pages. All right, so I'm going to deploy this, update some SEO, and see if that fixes some things. So now that the deploy is complete, you can see that the browser tab has a new description, and the URL and canonical URL matches and are all green. So this looks a lot more pretty than it was, and we'll kind of see what happens. I mean, I would have a Google search console set up, put my sitemap in there, and have started exploring some of the information here. So it's a learning process, trial and error, but glad to have things looking a little bit better now.